Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, please, or if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also turn your notification bell on to get notified when I release a new video. Some of the things I really like, I've bought in the past from Amazon. I really like these items, so I thought I'd share them with you, and in no particular order. So this first thing, and bear with me if I'm reading off my phone because there's like so many names I really need to get down, and if you see me looking down, I'm just staring at my phone to get the names out. So, and also I'll pop the link down below of every item that I used that I named out today. So if you decide you want to check them out on Amazon, just click on the link and it will take you straight down there. So in no particular order, I'm just going to start with this. I'm so excited. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a physician, or haven't been to no medical school, but I know with everything going on right now, everybody needs to own one of these. If you already own one, fabulous. So but you should own one of these. So this is the this is the OMRON Evolve Bluetooth wireless upper and blood pressure monitor. This is what it looks like. This bad guy, oh my god, this is amazing. Like, it's super easy to use. There's an app for it. You just download the app and it will do the rest for you. Like, it will log all your blood pressure numbers on that app. So if, let's say, your doctor wants to see your numbers, just take your phone, open up the app, just let your doctor go through it, or you can even email it to yourself or email it to your doctor. So this is super easy. Just put this, slide this to your arm all the way down, and then not here, but all the way down, how yeah, and then and then press the button. And also the button is just right there. See that? It just starts. Just turn it off. So yeah, so that's it basically. Like, this stuff, it's everybody should own one of this. Maybe not this particular one, but any blood pressure, my handy one. Like, I can easily travel with this. It's always on my bedside. Randomly, just check it. So even when I was pregnant, my doctor asked me to always monitor my blood pressure and bring the numbers to her. So that really helped. I just take my phone, the app, and she just goes through it. She really needs it. She asked me to email it to her. So and I also bought a case for it, because you don't want to dump this just anywhere like that. So this case was really perfect for it. So I got this case. It's a hard case, and I put the manual of the blood pressure monitor in there. So just kind of pop this in and close that, zip it up. You can throw this in your purse, take it, travel with it, or anywhere. It's super easy to carry around. It has a little handle right there. Yeah, I love this. This is one of the best things that I've ever purchased. So I think everybody should own one of these. It's craziness going on right now. Let me check our blood pressure. So this is my number one. I purposely made this my number one, but the rest is no particular order. And I will tell you the ones that really get me. For all of them I love anyway. So, and that this, if you have an Alexa, this works with Alexa. So you can tell Alexa to do whatever you want this to do. So that's another plus. It's something, I'm just gonna share the smallest thing with you guys, I don't care. So you might be like, oh my god, what is this? So the next item is a toothpaste tube squeezer. It comes in a set of 2. So I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. I can't believe I'm showing this stuff. So this is what it looks like. It has a little key right there that slides in. So I'm just gonna use my toothpaste and show you. So I kind of put this right in there, right? So with this stuff, you don't waste toothpaste. Okay, let me just show you something. So imagine you're using your toothpaste, you're there's some left right there that needs to come out. You're not doing this, or maybe you're like, oh my god, you're almost out and you can't even rush to the grocery. Like you're like this. Tell me you've done that before, haven't you? I know you have. So you like this. So this does the work for you. This squeeze, put this right in here, okay? And then you see, oh, I have to bring it closer. And you squeeze. Look at all that toothpaste coming all the way up. Look, I'll put it back. You just have to make sure it's aligned. I didn't really align it. Make sure it's aligned properly. So you see that? Okay, I'll show you. So imagine when your toothpaste is almost, I wish I had like, you know, kept an empty pack of my toothpaste. So I'm just gonna bring this out and show you. So bring that out. Just keep this down for a minute. So look at all that. Look how thin. Look at how thin that squeezed out all that toothpaste. Look. So you see what I'm saying? So that's how you're not wasting, you know, every ounce of the toothpaste is coming out. So this, and you can even leave it on here and use you know, use your toothpaste. You just kind of open that up and get some out and close it back, you know, or you can, like, you know, slide it out, pull it out, and you know, when your toothpaste is almost finishing, like almost to the end, you can put this in. And this is so cool. It comes in a set of 2. You get 2 of this. So goodbye. Everything, I don't know how much it is, but I'm definitely linking all the everything down below. So guys, the next item, it's my everyday, like I don't go anywhere without this item. Like even at home, if I'm watching TV or, you know, doing stuff anywhere, you know, I always, if I can reach out to my charger, I always have this. So it's the I'll read it out. It's the Anker portable charger power ultra high capacity power bank. So this power bank is everything. So this is what it comes with, this little case. It does come with this case, but this is what it looks like. So that's it right there. And when there's a button on the side, just click that and you should see that light, you know, that's to show you that it's fully charged, you know, the light right there. And there's another USB for charging it. So this part goes to your phone. This to even travel with it, but I find myself using it more at home. You know, when I'm sitting down, you know, all this our charger is not that long. The USB is not long enough, you know, and you want to still do stuff on your phone, so you just have this plugged in and still get on with your work. Yeah, so you can use your phone while it's charging too. I do that a lot. So yeah, they have this in different colors. I believe I got this in a white, my husband got it black, and they have a red, I think, you know, they have other colors, but I like white. As you can tell. As you can tell. Yeah, so this is everything. You need this. You need this. Yes, Brenda said so. You need it. Get it. Get it. So guys, the next item, I don't have it handy, but I'll show you the pictures of what it looks like. It's the window curtain tie backs. So this is what it looks like. This is so beautiful. I went with the beige because my curtains are like beige. So it has this little magnet stuff right there. So you just kind of put your curtains, and you know, it's so pretty, as you can see. Yeah, they have them in different colors. I think it comes 2 in a pack. I'll put all the links, like I said, down below. So this is, you know, what it looks like. And if you know, I don't know, like, you know, way back in Africa, we always, like, in our houses, it's mostly curtains. Everybody go with curtains. So like over here, you know, I was so done with blinds. Blinds is beautiful, don't get me wrong, but yeah, I just wanted to feel, you know, that, you know, home feel, you know, so I went with curtains. So yeah, so this it really helps. I like it, like, you know, when you like, you know, you don't want to like you don't want to like move the curtain all the way to the side or this side. No, you just use this and put it together and it stays in place. So try this, guys. Really, really easy to, you know. My daughter loves to play with this a lot. She's like, I'm like, no, stop it, you're gonna ruin it. So this next item I don't have right here. I am so excited to talk about this item. It's the best purchase I have ever made for my household. It is brilliant. Like, seriously, you find out that you're not wasting paper towels. So it is the Innovia paper towel dispenser. This item, oh my god, like, I am just going to pop. I made a mini video in my kitchen of it, so take a look. Okay, just kind of senses your hand. See how much paper towel you bring out, and it sets it all the way back in. And then if you want just one, you can just take one out and it sends the rest back up. So that's so cool. You just kind of just a little bit will come out, just take it one. If you want more, you just like senses, and it just more, just like that, more will just keep coming. And then if you don't need it, it sends it all the way back up. Voila. So this next item, please bear with me, I'm oversharing, I know, but trust me, these things, I use them. I know, you know, they help, like they make my life easy. Yeah. So this item is it's called the Dusty Mop Slippers Wash. So this is what it looks like. I know. Yeah, you just wear this, put them on like you're wearing your socks or whatever. Just put them on like shoes or socks or whatever. Just put these on. This is what it looks like, and it would dust your floors like. So I wear this whenever I'm cleaning or mopping or something. You know, I don't want. You can throw them in the washing machine and you wash it like, you know, regular stuff. And or in the bathroom, you're like, you know, cleaning or something, you just put them on. Or even in the house, you know, you're like doing your regular chores, you just wear them, you know. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like dust. You know, I used that one last. There's this like neon green and this orange. So guys, the next item keeps me in check. It is the NewlineNY 700 series travel mini digital scales. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so it's so handy to travel with. So you see, that's it. Yeah, my light is showing. Yeah. This is what it looks like. So you can easily, like, it's glass, so you can easily travel with this item to, like, you know, this keeps me in check when we go on vacation. So I kind of like, you know, check yourself out, girl. Eating all that steak and stuff or whatnot, dessert, you know, tiramisu and the rest of it. Oh my gosh. Yes, so it also comes with well, it doesn't come with rewind. No, it doesn't come with a case. So I bought this case to go with it. So I kind of, you know, slide this inside. It just kind of, you know, fits real good. So I just put this in my luggage, and this is padded, so it's not gonna break, but you might want to, like, you know, double wrap it and stuff. So This is something good to travel with. This keeps me in check. I also have a different kind at home. You can always use this at home too, but I have a different scale at home. But I have this. I travel anywhere with this. I don't go anywhere with it, just to keep me in check. You're on vacation, but girl, watch it.